Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you extract text from images this 2023. So for this site you have to type in imagetotext.info and you should be redirected to this website right here. And to be able to use this, we need to go ahead and upload a image here. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's try and screen capture here and to see if this will work. So okay, let's try this one. So make sure also to zoom in on the text guys or image so that you can accurately capture it. So there, let's paste it here. So let's try it again. Okay. You just have to wait for this to finish. And as you can see guys, it successfully extracted our text from the image right here. And there. So this is very useful guys, especially because it saves time by not just typing it, but by just extracting it from this website. So okay guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.